Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off double tick in a WhatsApp message. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to know that there's no one-click way for you to be able to turn off double ticks, okay, or the delivered notification option. But we do have the option to turn off the blue ticks, which is the read receipt. Okay, but don't worry, I'm still going to be showing you an option or an alternative to avoid showing the gray text later. So first up, for the read receipts, you can go ahead and open up WhatsApp and just go ahead over to your profile, then settings. Okay, and then here, tap on privacy right here, tap on it and just find read receipts. Okay, as you can see here, if turned off, just like this one, you won't send or receive read receipts, which is the blue tick. All right, so if you want to at least avoid the double tick, well, first up, you'll have to enable your notifications. So whenever a message comes up, you can just read the notification right here from the top of your notification section. Okay, do not open up WhatsApp, as when you open up WhatsApp while connected to the internet, well, WhatsApp right here will tell the sender that you have opened your WhatsApp messages but did not tap or opened the specific message. Okay, so again, if you want to at least dodge the double tick or gray double tick, well, just enable notification for WhatsApp and read the messages through here. Or if it's a long message and you wanted to delay the specific update from WhatsApp to send the double tick to the sender, well, you can just go ahead and enable airplane mode. Enable it, disable Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then open up the message. And then after that, if you want to, you could uninstall WhatsApp, uninstall it. Now go ahead and open up your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then you can go ahead and use your phone normally. Okay. And next time, the moment you open or downloaded WhatsApp and open it up, it will just update from their server. Okay. Well, that means, for example, you have viewed the message while using the airplane mode right now. Let's say you would want to open WhatsApp next year. Okay, or download it next year. All right, so the update of the double tick will be next year, since you don't have WhatsApp in here and your phone and the WhatsApp servers doesn't have communication, if that makes sense. All right, but that is how you turn off double tick in WhatsApp message. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.